This is the Just Perfection extension version 32, ported to GNOME Shell 48. We have a new feature for removing airplane mode from quick settings. I've also added a copy button for crypto addresses, making it easier to copy them to the clipboard. We also have more crypto addresses in the support section. As noted here, crypto donations are preferred since there are no platform fees and 100% of your donation is received directly. This version is also shipped with support notification. I've got the idea from Andrew, the Arc menu maintainer. Thank you, Andrew. You can disable the notification or make it only show up on new releases, which is the default, or make it show up monthly. Let me show you the actual notification. As you can see, I'm also mentioning about the crypto here. If you're new to crypto, I believe even PayPal allows you to buy and send crypto directly. If you click this button, it will open the preferences window. Buy Me a Coffee link is also here. Just note that Buy Me a Coffee takes a percentage of each donation. If you hit the Maybe Later button, the notification will show up next month. Anyway, I wrote the extension port guide for GNOME Shell 48, which will be available on gjs.guide soon. I'm just waiting for this merge request to be approved to confirm whether it will be merged for 48 or not. You can read the merge request if you want to port faster. You can send your extensions to EGU now, and I'll try to review it as quickly as possible. As always, if you'd like to support my work, links to Buy Me a Coffee page and crypto addresses are in the description. Thanks.